Trying him with a passion fruit, but he's not interested. Or he's more interested in being videoed. Isn't that right, Charlie? And Charlie's eating some of the passion fruit, but he's, of course, they're only little seeds. But he appears to be enjoying them. Alright. He knows I'm videoing him, don't you? You know I'm videoing him, but he has been eating this pulp. Alright, he's eating the passion fruit seeds again. But he's not had them before, so he's a bit reluctant. And he knows when I'm videoing him. Don't you, you naughty boy? You know when you're being videoed, don't you, Charlie? Yep. So that's Charlie eating passion fruit seeds. There we go. Mmm, yummy. I'm going to have mine now. With custard.